In today's fast-paced world, even the most capable leaders face invisible blockers, resistance to change, missed deadlines, fragmented teams, and silent disengagement. Sounds familiar? Now, leaders spend 70 to 80% of time influencing decisions, and 9 out of 10 managers fail on first attempt. It's not about lacking data or strategy. It's about the fundamental gap in influence. Leaders spend most of the time trying to persuade, yet true buy-in remains elusive for many. Now, the top performing leaders do one thing differently. They master ethical persuasion. It is about creating psychological safety, using the right words to reduce resistance, and framing ideas so they feel like their own. Built on Dr. Robert Cialdini's world-renowned 7 principles of ethical influence, GrowthAspire empowers leaders like you. Imagine aligning faster with stakeholders, leading cross-functional initiatives with ease, and influencing decisions without pushback. Become the go-to leader others trust. It's time to elevate your influence. Visit our landing page to learn more and schedule your discovery call today.